So we've got a salad today. It's actually not a mixed salad because nothing's mixed. And what's unusual about it is we've got banana and pineapple in there. We've also got carrots, tomatoes, potatoes, cucumber and beetroot. This is an Ethiopian salad. We eat this a lot at home here. Rahel makes this quite a lot. She actually cuts it a little bit bigger than that. I've cut it a bit smaller today. But it's a really, really simple, beautiful salad. And I can't believe that I've not shown it to you before because we eat this one a lot. Anyway, let's get on with it. It's delicious. So let's take a look at what we've got. Now, I've basically got equal parts roughly of everything, and you can adjust that how you want. So I've got some beetroot. So that was hard, raw beetroot, chopped it up, boiled it with a little bit of salt. Cucumber, tomatoes, fresh pineapple, potatoes and carrots, and they're both boiled. A little bit of lemon juice, some olive oil, fresh banana, and I like a little bit of salt and pepper. So easy. So I didn't show you this just a second ago, but we're going to use some lettuce as well. Now, I'm going to put the lettuce flat on there, and we're going to put all of our vegetables on. When we have this at home, it's all kind of, just in one corner. Everything's kind of separated out. But I'm going to go like this today. So simply, we're going to grab our pineapple and get it on there. Our beetroot and get it on there. The carrots. Like I said, I've just boiled them up. The tomato. The cooked potato. And the cucumber. And then, simply, we're going to grab, I'm going to use 2 bananas for this. I mean, they're not huge, these bananas. And just cut them in there. I mean, when Rahel makes this at home, which she does a lot, she would actually cut this all a little bit bigger. Then I'm going to go with a little bit of lemon juice. Some salt. Black pepper. And then here I've got some olive oil, which I'm hoping is going to drizzle out of here. I think that bottle's too full for it to come out. And that's it. I'm surprised I haven't shown you this before, but yeah, that's eaten a lot in our house. A lovely, lovely, beautiful salad. Slightly unusual for most of us, but get tucked in. It is delicious. Hope you enjoy that. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for checking out our videos. We're currently steaming ahead to actually reaching nearly 100 million views, which is fantastic. I think we've got over 3,000 uploads now. We've really been going at it since I think 2012 we started back in the day. But yeah, thanks so much for watching our videos. Please do give us a thumbs up. It really does help us out a great deal, and also leave a comment. We do like to hear from you. Now, what we've been up to, so lots going on. We're now based in Bahrain. We're here for a little while in the kitchen here, which is fantastic. We're having a great time. Kids are really enjoying themselves. We are cooking away at a rapid rate, trying to do this new series called Eating with Locals, where I want to go and eat with different, people from different nationalities and eat their food and have a little chat, see if I can learn something. Hoping this COVID thing's gonna shift. Don't know when it's going to happen, but maybe soon. If it does, I'm going to get back on the road. I want to get back on an aeroplane, as I'm sure many of you do as well, and get out there and sort of, see the sights, taste some food and meet some people. It would be fantastic if you would buy us a cup of coffee, help us along with the channel. We're not funded in any way. We're self-funded. We don't endorse any products. There's a link down below. If you would like to buy me a coffee, a couple of dollars or whatever you want, just follow the link. That would be fantastic. That's about it. We're doing great, and we hope that you're doing fine, and we'll see you soon. Lots of love.